We know that Apple could roll out a dedicated Siri app in iOS 27, but there's more to it than just an app. Welcome to GadInsider, your place for the latest tech news. According to Mark Gurman at Bloomberg, Siri will reside within the dynamic island, which means when you activate it with a wake word or the side button, a Siri animation will appear in the dynamic island. And then, once you've asked it something, a transparent results card will be displayed. But if you want more than the initial results, you can swipe on the card to bring up a chat interface that apparently looks similar to an iMessage chat. Here, you'll see various small cards related to your query, but there will also apparently be a dedicated Siri app that you can launch at any time, complete with conversation history and the ability to upload images and documents. So it'll be kind of like ChatGPT or most other chatbots. But that's not all, as iOS 27 will include a system-wide search interface that you can access by swiping down from the top center of the display on any screen or app. There, a search or ask bar will appear in the dynamic island. And this is somewhat like Spotlight Search, but can display more advanced results and additional data from within apps. Or if you press on the search bar, you can swap from Siri to other chatbots. Apple's also overhauling the Image Playground app, giving it a new layout and the option to create more lifelike images. So all in all, iOS 27 could include some big and much needed upgrades for Apple's AI tools. These all will be confirmed at WWDC 2026 on June 8th, when iOS 27 is likely to be unveiled. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.